Using oxygen at home shouldn't feel confusing or stressful. In this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use a DeVilbiss oxygen concentrator at home in simple steps anyone can follow. We'll cover what it does, how to set it up, how to use it safely every day, easy maintenance tips, and common mistakes to avoid, all in one video. Make sure you watch till the end, because one small mistake we'll talk about later is the reason many people don't feel the full benefit. Hi everyone, welcome to homehealthcareshop.com. If you or a loved one has been prescribed home oxygen, this video is especially for you. Today, we're focusing on DeVilbiss oxygen concentrators, one of the most trusted brands used by seniors across the US and Canada. I'll keep everything clear, slow, and practical. No technical language, no pressure. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-understand health and mobility guides. A DeVilbiss oxygen concentrator helps you breathe easier by taking normal room air, filtering out nitrogen, and delivering concentrated oxygen through a nasal cannula. Unlike oxygen tanks, it does not run out. As long as it has power, it keeps producing oxygen. That means fewer worries, no refills, and more freedom at home. It's commonly used by people with COPD, emphysema, pulmonary fibrosis, or other breathing conditions, always based on a doctor's prescription. One reason many seniors prefer DeVilbiss is because it's designed for home comfort. These machines are known for being quiet, so they won't disturb sleep or conversations. The controls are simple and easy to read, and the units are built to run for long hours without overheating. Many models also have built-in safety alarms that alert you if something needs attention, giving extra peace of mind. This is why DeVilbiss concentrators are often recommended for daily, long-term home use. Setting up your DeVilbiss concentrator is easier than most people expect. Place it in an open area with at least a few inches of space around it for airflow. Plug it directly into a wall outlet, not an extension cord. Attach the oxygen tubing securely, connect the nasal cannula, and make sure everything feels comfortable before turning it on. Once it's powered on, allow the machine a minute to start producing oxygen before use. Quick reassurance before we continue. Many people tell us that when they're ordering oxygen equipment for home, they just want the process to be simple. Easy to find the right product, quick answers if they have questions, and fast delivery. That kind of support makes a big difference when you're dealing with health needs, and it's something we focus on at homehealthcareshop.com. Using the concentrator daily is straightforward. Always use the flow setting prescribed by your doctor. Never change it on your own. Place the nasal cannula comfortably in your nose, loop the tubing over your ears, and breathe normally. You don't need to take deep breaths, just relax. Many people use their concentrator while watching TV, reading, sleeping, or moving around the house. Oxygen is safe when used correctly, but there are a few important rules. Never smoke or allow open flames near the machine. Keep it away from gas stoves, candles, or fireplaces. Make sure the air intake stays clean and uncovered, and always turn the machine off if you're not using it. These small habits help keep you safe and ensure the concentrator works properly. To keep your DeVilbiss concentrator running well, clean the external filter regularly, usually once a week, using mild soap and water. Let it dry completely before placing it back. Check your tubing and cannula often and replace them when recommended. Proper care helps the machine last longer and deliver consistent oxygen. One common mistake is placing the concentrator too close to walls or furniture, which blocks airflow. Another is skipping regular filter cleaning. And finally, some people stop using it too early because they don't feel instant results. But oxygen therapy works best when used consistently, just as prescribed. If you'd like more information about DeVilbiss oxygen concentrators or want to check current models, you'll find the product links in the description below, or you can visit homehealthcareshop.com directly. We specialize in trusted home medical equipment for seniors, with fast shipping and helpful support. If this video helped you feel more confident using oxygen at home, please give it a like and share it with someone who might need it. Subscribe for more clear, senior-friendly guides, and feel free to leave a comment with your questions. Thanks for watching, and take care.